Your team can visualize work. Kerika offers an intuitive Kanban board, allowing you to easily capture and organize all your project tasks. Simply type your task name and click Add New Tasks. With a quick drag and drop, you can move tasks through different stages of your workflow, keeping everyone aligned. Your team can manage tasks. Dive into the details of any task, add descriptions, set due dates, assign team members, and break down complex items into manageable subtasks with built-in checklists. Your team can manage content. Attach any relevant document, presentation, or spreadsheet directly to your tasks. Your files are automatically shared with your entire team using Google Drive, ensuring everyone has the latest version. Your team can share ideas. Kerika makes it simple to share and discuss visual ideas with the whiteboard feature. Link to mind maps, flow charts, or any other visual artifact directly within your tasks to foster clear understanding and collaboration. Your team can escape email. Say goodbye to endless email threads. All discussions and feedback stay organized within the relevant task card, and you can easily tag teammates for direct communication. Your team can scale up. As your projects grow, Kerika adapts. Quickly filter and highlight tasks based on what's assigned to you, or instantly see what's overdue across your entire project, no matter how many tasks you have. Your team can get more done. Kerika's central dashboard provides a personalized overview of all your work. See what's new, what needs attention, or what's assigned to you, ensuring you always know where to focus your efforts. Your team can try Kerika free.